Shower failures don't happen because of the tile in most situations. Watching tile videos won't protect your remodel. They show you a move, a trick, a mistake. They don't show you the system. And failure happens in the system. After 35 years in tile and stone, I can tell you this. I've never seen two jobs that were the same. Different framing, different substrates, different moisture exposure. Different installers, different risk points. Online advice is general, your shower is specific. When homeowners apply general advice to a specific job without understanding sequence, that's when things go wrong. Water gets behind tile, movement isn't accounted for. Coverage isn't verified, materials are mismatched. And you don't find out until it costs thousands. That's why I built a 16-section remodel without regret toolkit. It walks you through the remodel in the correct order, before tile is set. And it includes an hour phone consultation with me, plus a 30-minute follow-up. Because your project isn't generic. We go through your actual layout, your materials, your installer's plan, your risk points. Videos create awareness. Personalized guidance prevents failure. If you're spending thousands on a remodel, don't rely on random clips online. Protect the investment. The full toolkit and consultation package is below.